In today's video we are going to show you how to make a homemade thermo. For this we need a glass heart, 2 strips of aluminum foil, 2 fabrics and some glue. We are going to use hot glue. The first thing is to grab the jar with one of the strips of aluminum foil. Aluminum foil is what we do as insulation. Then we take a cloth and stick it with the help of our glue. We add a second layer of aluminum foil and a cloth to get more insulation. We already have our thermo finished. If you like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you!